Hi there, students. Capitalize. To capitalize on a situation. Okay, we have maybe three different meanings for capitalize, but I want to focus on the meaning of capitalize, meaning to use a situation to your own advantage. He capitalized on his knowledge and experience to resolve the situation in a very easy method. Okay, in a very easy way. So, yes, to get the best advantage from a situation. One of their players, the opposition players, was sent off the field, and my team capitalized on this situation and scored 3 goals. Okay, to get an advantage from the situation, to get the best from it. Okay, maybe many companies have failed to capitalize on some of the advantages of doing things online. Okay, so they've missed out on lucrative new business. Okay, so to capitalize on something, to gain an advantage, to turn something to your advantage. You could capitalize on an opponent's mistake. Yeah, he was unable to capitalize. He was unable to capitalize on the mistake. So if it's intransitive, no preposition. But if you want a direct object, to capitalize on something, okay? And that's the first and main meaning of capitalize. You can also use to capitalize, meaning to write a letter as a capital. So you need to capitalize the people's names. Yeah, the first letter needs to be a capital letter. Cities and countries should be capitalized. The first letter is written in a capital. Let's see, do we capitalize the word God? Well, that's a good question. I'd be interested to hear your opinion of that one. Okay, so to capitalize. Notice as well, the Americans spell this with a Z, but the British normally spell this with an S. This question of S or Z, English or American, I find a very difficult one. But at the end of the day, write it with an S or a Z. Both will work fine. The final meaning of to capitalize is to supply money to a business so that it can develop or that it can operate properly, that it has enough capital to operate properly. Giving a company enough money to do something. Okay, I think you can also capitalize in accounting. I think it's to include money spent on equipment or a building as an asset over various years. So the accountant capitalized the cost of new machinery, but that's a very technical business meaning. Okay, but use this word to capitalize on a situation, to get an advantage from it, to benefit, to gain, to profit from it. We need to be able to capitalize on the new discoveries that have been made. Or maybe the far right were trying to capitalize on public discontent about unemployment. Okay, they're trying to take advantage of it, to exploit, to make the most of it, to gain as much as you can, to cash in as well. I would guess. You need to capitalize on your opportunities, turn them to your best advantage. And this is the idea of capitalize. To capitalize on a mistake made by your opponent. Okay? So, yeah, to profit or obtain an advantage. Yeah, the team had had a few very good opportunities at the end of the game, but they were unable to capitalize. They were unable to score. So they had the opportunity, but they didn't take advantage of them and score. To seize as an opportunity to take a benefit from. Okay, yes. If you're playing a game, maybe you want to capitalize on your opponent's weaknesses, and like that, you will probably win. Okay, also capitalize in finance, to contribute or acquire money, capital, to finance the business. Or in writing or in editing, to write the either the first letter or the whole thing in capital letters. Yeah, so yeah, languages in English are capitalized. The E is capitalized in the English language. Okay, so also to capitalize is a regular verb. He capitalized. He has capitalized on the opportunity. And formality, I think I'd probably give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere, although it's a little bit on the formal side. And then finally, as to origin, this is another one that comes from Latin, capitalis, belonging to the head, of the head. Okay? So there are lots of videos in this channel that you should be able to capitalize on if you have a good level of English. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To capitalize.